Removal of the propeller and bottom sail drive mechanism from a Bavaria Ocean 40. 6mm Allen key. Remove the centre bolt. Nicely greased. Remove the cone. Should screw off. Then there's a plastic washer. Make sure it goes the same way on. Put that back in there to remind us. Then with a small mallet, which I can't find, here it is, we just tap the propeller off the splines. This section here will be quite dirty with growth and barnacles that can be scraped off at a later point. So we put that back together like that. That's all together. Now the anode, it's a matter of undoing the screws. I have tapped these before. There's one screw. Second screw. Tap the anode off. That we'll be putting a new one of these on when it all goes back together. So the next part of the job, let's just put these screws back in here so we don't lose them for a minute. Those back. And there are two Allen headed screws here and here, which we're now going to remove to release the sail drive. But before that, I'm going to release the oil from a screw underneath here. So put a big screwdriver on the little stainless steel plug. I've got a pair of vice grips on the screwdriver to give it tension, and it's gone. So break that open, take these off out of the way, and we'll get a bucket to catch the oil. There we go, and that is full of seawater. That should be nice oil colour, and it's like a light coffee colour, and it stinks. That's because the seals somewhere in the sail drive have gone and let seawater in. I'll let that drain out. So that's the bucket of contaminated oil. Now what we're going to do is take off the housing that has the sail drive bearings and 90-degree drive on. So putting a 6mm Allen key on and using a ring spanner as an extra piece of power. Actually, it's coming off not too badly. Always pays to grease things before you reassemble them. So there's also a collar spacer here. I'm just going to take off. I'll remember where that goes. I'll get Michaela to clean that up in a minute. So we'll carry on with the bottom screw. Yeah, it's not too bad. see if we can line them out. A little bit tight, but it's what you'd expect really. Always a bit of a worry when you've got stainless steel nuts and bolts going into aluminium. The two metals and seawater don't mix very well. But whoever had done this had probably put the right type of grease on it. So this one's nearly out. This one's a little bit tighter. Okay, so I've taken the top screw out and now I'm just going to tap around the edge and try and break it free. You can see there is a split moving. The bearings feel okay, but it with a mallet. I've managed to open up a slight gap. Now with these screws into tapped holes, so there's a purchase there. If I put some vice grips on the bottom on that screw and a pair of pliers here, we'll see if we can lock it and make it come. Here it comes. That's come, and that's depositing a lot of oil, as I suspected. Now this should just pull out. Famous last words.